All right, guys, here we go. We got the PocBuds. These are T60, 60 hours of pure awesomeness played directly from these bad boys. True wireless earbuds right here. So you guys don't want to see just the packaging. You want to see the units themselves, so let's get into it. I love they got the manual right up front for you, telling you what you have. In this, you get a USB-C type charging cord. You have 600 milliamp battery in it, and it shows you all the details in the guide itself. Boom, look at that guide. That stuff has a ton of things. But what you guys want to see is the unit themselves. Over here in it, let's get all the accessories out first out of the way. In the accessory case, got a couple cool features with it. So what you have is your charging cable right here. Again, USB to USB-C. And then on the other end of it, you're going to have extra earbuds as well. Now that's important so that when you are trying to fit these, so you get the perfect fit for the perfect sound, you get a couple extra sizes to fit bigger or smaller ears. Boom, there you have it. Now here is the actual case itself. Check this out. So it does have some tips on it. Take out the earbuds, tear off the protective film on the backside, left and right earbuds, okay? And then you are rip-roaring and ready to go. So let's do that. You got a big charging cable plug right here on the back of it, and then on the front you can open these bad boys up. So there you have it. So let's go ahead and tear off each one of these guys. Now what that is for is that is the charging section. So you're tearing off the piece that makes the charging section. So what it's going to do is not going to burn out the battery, which I'm definitely digging that. They thought of that because they don't know how long they're going to be sitting, you know, and it makes it nice so you know you're getting a proper unused battery that has not been burnt and sitting over time. So here you have it. That's how they sit in the case right there. Now you have individual spots. Shows your overall battery and then individual battery per ear, which is super cool. Now let's go ahead and get these on. This is the left side. So just going to fold right over the earlobe. Okay, that's cool. Just like so. Whole lot different than your standard AirPods. I'm not going to lie. They got a nice fit. These are not going to fall out anywhere. I can tell you that. They're not falling out. Now you have buttons on both sides. I'm not sure what that is for, but we can definitely figure out. Now the question is, how easy is it to pair? So let's go ahead and get in these bad boys and get a pairing action going. I don't see any buttons on the outside of the unit, but it says pairing in my ear. So let's go down to Bluetooth, drop all the way down, and let's see what pops up here. T600 or T60, just like that, popped up. Already connected. That was super simple. Let's see if we can hear some music though. Oh yeah, solid. Now I got play pause on the right side and play pause on the left. Now I don't have music coming, so I can go back and forth. Let's see. If I take one out, it's still going to continue to play, so they're not any of that version, which is okay. I like that. These are sport wireless headphones. Like, that's what that's going to be used for, is proper sport usage, because you're going to get a ton of time, and they're going to be comfortable. You're going to be able to wear them without any issues. I'll tell you what, that is super comfortable. You don't have to do anything to turn them off. So at the end of the day, when you want to unpair, you just take them off here, and just like that, you're going to drop them in to the respective sides. It's going to show the power of them, and it's going to show it charging up just like that, and you're rip-roaring and ready to go. Look how easy those things are. So PocBuds has a really nice case. You can take this anywhere, throw it in the gym bag, throw it in your work bag, and you're ready to go. Want to open it up? Oh, I got plenty of charge, and it's getting those taken care of just like that. Check out PocBuds. Check it out.